Acctivate is advanced inventory management software for small to mid-sized businesses, offering a wide range of features from inventory control to order fulfillment. One of Acctivate's requirements and strengths is its integration with QuickBooks, one of the most popular accounting software solutions on the market. Acctivate is able to leverage existing lists in QuickBooks and import your data so that you're able to be up and running in Acctivate with little to no downtime. Your existing QuickBooks lists such as items, customers, vendors, terms codes, currencies, and more are imported into Acctivate. As part of the initial integration, when your item list is imported into Acctivate, the on-hand quantities in QuickBooks are adjusted to 0 and the items are deactivated. This ensures that all inventory-related transactions are managed solely by Acctivate. Acctivate then creates a small number of non-inventoried item codes in QuickBooks that correspond to Acctivate product classes. This allows Acctivate to sync invoices with detail information to QuickBooks. Once integrated, Acctivate and QuickBooks are kept in sync with each other, eliminating the risk of mistakes and the need to rekey information. Accounting-related activities, as shown on the left, such as deposits and payroll, will continue in QuickBooks, while inventory-related activities shown on the right, such as purchase orders, sales orders, and inventory transactions, will be performed in Acctivate. Some lists and activities, such as the one shown in the middle, can be managed by either Acctivate or QuickBooks, and the other program will stay in sync. To demonstrate Acctivate's sync with QuickBooks Desktop, I'll invoice this sales order. I'll apply an available check payment and credit to the invoice, and then create the invoice. We'll sync this invoice to QuickBooks so that it creates a financial record, but typically the invoice created in Acctivate would be the one you send to your customer. Once I've created the invoice, I can sync it to QuickBooks Desktop. A sync can be performed as needed. Typically once a day is enough for most companies. Any computer with Acctivate and QuickBooks Desktop installed can perform the sync. In QuickBooks Desktop, we can open the customer list, click on the customer, and then view the invoice. The Transactions tab shows that the credits I applied in Acctivate are also applied in QuickBooks. I can also update the invoice's due date in QuickBooks and it will sync back to Acctivate. I'll change it to be due at the end of next month, then save my changes. Before syncing again, let's make one more change. We need to add a suite number to the customer's billing address. To do that, we'll click the pencil icon. Then we'll add suite 200 to the billing address and click OK. Now we can return to Acctivate and run another sync. Since the sync is bidirectional, each sync will look for changes to send from Acctivate to QuickBooks and changes in QuickBooks to be sent to Acctivate. We've completed the sync, so let's open the customer list and view our customer Abercrombie. The customer's billing address in Acctivate now shows the suite number. I can also view the invoice I created on the customer's timeline. The due date of the invoice in Acctivate has been updated to match the date we changed it to in QuickBooks Desktop. As you can see, the integration between QuickBooks Desktop and Acctivate is seamless and efficient.